friends, it's me, your line buddy. Welcome back to my jungle vlog. Today I will show you how I start my day and what crazy things happened in the jungle.
First thing first, hygiene is the king's crown. Even the king of the jungle needs shiny teeth, or else the monkey starts making fun of me. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But in my jungle, sometimes it's fruits, sometimes fish, sometimes it's pizza. Don't tell anyone. That's my cheat meal. After breakfast, it's time for fitness. The king of the jungle has to stay strong. Today, I did 20 push-ups. Well, maybe 5. And then I chased a butterfly for cardio. Oh no, my roar is broken today. Monkey, stop laughing. Or I will never share my bananas with you. Okay friends, that's my vlog for today. Don't forget to hit the like button with your bow, subscribe and join me tomorrow for another adventure in the jungle. Bye!